Greetings, Jeepers. So we're back at the steering box. We're getting there finally, and we're about to lube it up. And what we are going to use anyways is this 140 weight. It says on the back of it, it's for gearboxes. It's good for brass and bronze, and we got some bronze bushings in that Ross steering box. And it's a GL1, so 140 GL1. It is, we just got a little bit poured out in this cup here, and what I can tell you is that it is clearly heavier than the 90 weight GL4 that you use typically in your transmission and transfer case, but it is not grease. You don't want to use grease in these Ross steering boxes. You want a heavy weight oil, and we're using a 140 GL1.
To fill our raw steering box, we have to remove our plug. Just unthread it, and now we'll just start putting our T140 weight steering box oil into our hole here. Fill your raw steering box with your T140 lube until your lube starts coming out the threads and you know that it is filled right to the top. And now we can install our plug to finish off the filling up with your steering box lube. And I would just use some thread sealant on your plug so it doesn't leak out. Using a little bit of thread sealant, put a little bit on your brass plug, and this will just prevent your steering box from leaking out. Finally, thread on your plug onto your raw steering box, and we'll just go until it's hand tight. Just use a wrench and tighten up your plug just so it's a bit snugger, then just hand tight.